Hello, EPIC students. Today I'm doing a quick video to show my high schoolers how to use IXL. So remember, IXL is a supplement. It is not your core curriculum. It's a different situation, different program. And I want to first refer back to your organization schedule. I made each of you your own, and so each person's looks a little bit different, but somewhere there in your schedule you'll have IXL listed. So in this example, on Mondays, this student is supposed to be doing 20 minutes of IXL math and 20 minutes of IXL English along with their APEX and their book assignment. Okay. Um, Again, Tuesday, 20 minutes in each. This particular student has 20 minutes in each, except, yeah, every day. So what that's going to look like, based on your schedule, you'll know what you're supposed to be doing. Quick reminder on your Foursquare document, again, this will have your own unique info. On this IXL square, it will have your unique username and password that's for you. So once you've gone to IXL, you've logged in, it should say your name right here. Once you get here, I want you to click on Learning. And it's super important that you click on OK Standards here. This will make it a little bit easier for you to understand. Go to OK Standards because obviously that's what we need to be working on. Because that will help us get ready for the state tests. And you'll scroll down to the bottom. So let's say you're in Algebra 1. This is where you'll find you're either going to be in Algebra 1, Geometry, or Algebra 2. You will now scroll down, and a good way to know what's going on with this is this should be aligned with your APEX. So I'm going to have my APEX open too because I've already been working on that today, right? So this student it's still the second week of school, so she's in Unit 1 for Algebra 1, and this particular lesson is over expressions, equations, and inequalities. Expressions, equations, and inequalities. So that's what she's been working on this week. So for IXL, I want to go into, okay, I'm at OK Standards, I'm in Math, I'm in Algebra 1, and here we are. I see lessons on expressions. I'm seeing lessons on inequalities, and what was the other one? Equations. Here's a lot of equation ones. You can hover over each lesson to see a quick preview of it. It gives you 4 different examples to look at, and you can use your calculator, of course. But like I said, in this organization schedule, you're needing to be doing 20 minutes a day in IXL math. And so I'm going to leave it up to you what lessons you pick. You could just start at the beginning. But I want you to be doing those 20-minute lessons. And I'm far more concerned with quality of these lessons than I am quantity. I want you to understand the concept before moving on. So I'd rather you spend some time on this whole section. If it takes you 2 weeks to do, I'd rather you do that than just rush through it and not understand it. So that is how you find your lessons. If you are in English, you're doing your IXL English, you're going to stay OK Standards, hit this Language Arts tab, and then choose your grade level. Let's say you're in 11th grade and you are doing English. Okay, here are the English lessons. I want you to do 20 minutes a day of these lessons. Okay, and I'm going to be checking the pace weekly. And this is, again, just like everything in EPIC, this is a ideal schedule. If you follow this, I think you'll be really organized. You'll stay on pace, you know where you are. But let's say you are going to be busy on Wednesday. Then you need to be doing extra work on Tuesdays and Thursdays to make up for that day. Okay, so that's all on you. And this is going to help you, again, with the time management, which is a real world skill. I mean, that's when you get to college or upper level education, they just say, hey, this is when this is due, and you have it done by then. So of course, I'm here to help you. But this is just an overview. One last quick tool. When you are in IXL, under the Learning tab, you can hit this diagnostic button, and it won't let me because I'm a teacher, not a student. But to get started, have your student sign in and click on diagnostic. This diagnostic arena is actually really cool. You can go in to answer questions, to learn more about what you already know. You can follow this. I won't do it right now, but you can go through the diagnostic arena and it'll quiz you kind of on what you already know. And it will give you a layout of what you should be following. And if you want to do it that way too, that's fine with me. Um, Again, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys. You're awesome. Bye.